I was just standing out here thinking about when my boys were little and they would come home from school and they would be so hungry. They would be starved. And of course, I naturally wanted to have them a snack ready. So that's what I'm going to do today. The first thing I'm going to be making is a pretzel peanut bark. So school's out. Mom, we're hungry. We're ready for a snack. So come on. Hey, welcome back, y'all. It's all about after-school snacks today. And this next recipe is a white chocolate pretzel peanut bark. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory with salty pretzels and peanuts and sinfully sweet white chocolate. Now, I have melted 18 ounces of white chocolate in my bowl over hot water. I've got 3 cups of pretzels, the pretzel sticks, and I've kind of broken them up, and I'm just going to dump those in. And I have 2 cups of salted peanuts. Y'all have heard me say so often how I love the sweet and the salty together. And this just makes a perfect snack. Now all we have to do is stir these together. All right. So there we go, just that easily. It's mixed together. Let me turn off my pot and move it out of the way. All right, now I've got a parchment paper lined cookie sheet, and I'm just gonna pour this out onto the sheet. Ooh, look at that white chocolate. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Now I'm just gonna spread this out, and we're gonna let it cool on the counter for, 3 or 4 hours, just until it's hard. And then we're gonna break this up in pieces, and then it's ready to eat. Great afternoon snack, isn't it? So there it is, just that easy, kids. 18 ounces of white chocolate, 3 cups of broken pretzels, and 2 cups of salted peanuts. And we're gonna let it sit here until it's hardened. And I've got one right here. So why don't we go over to the table and look at all the yummy after-school snacks we have. Come on. So we got all our snacks together for the children. Our bark is ready. All we have to do is break it into nice big pieces, just like that. Boy, howdy, is that good. The salty pretzels and the white chocolate are so good together. Yum. I think the kids are just gonna love all these afternoon snacks. I hope y'all have had a good time this afternoon with me making these snacks for our children. And I hope, kids, that y'all will get in the kitchen with Mommy, make these snacks together. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.